Sure, it steals your heart.
All right, we got time for one more, and we're going to do the 50-50, I believe. So here we go. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I shouldn't be here, I took the lock. Should've made you give me the key. But I know for just 1 second thanks to all the me. Walk out the door, walk out the door. Just turn around now, you're sure not looking anymore. Want you to try to hurt me with your lies. You might humble, and I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I know my life is, I know my life, I will survive. I will survive.
Where is it? Right there by this pool. Yeah. If you have any questions.
Punk buggy, I said budgie. Punch budgie. That's a good one.
When I get home.
Because it's a Herbie, it's a movie.
You'll see it
You'll
sooner or later.
see it at some point. What? He's flipped it out. Love your coach.
Yes, it's true. You are my
Oh, you know what that was? That was the sticker. That was the sticker for the rest of the video. Like you do.
You're my dream come true. My one and only.
Make the video and post it on the forum.
I held you into time. Yes, I love you so. Promise I'll let you go in the still of the night. In the still of the night, I remember that night in May, where the stars were bright up above. To keep your breath, precious love will be full. Shoot it out to hearts gone. Shoot it all of your heart. Shoot it in the still of the night. In the still of the night. Take it away, Brad. Turn you over to John right now. We're going to take a short break. We're going to do the 50-50s. Everybody get your tickets ready.
You got tickets? What a surprise. Why would I think you don't have tickets?